guys, here's a quick video to show you how to remove the ignition lock cylinder on a C10. Pretty easy, as long as you have the key. Easiest thing to do is you turn the key back to accessory, take a paper clip, put in this little hole in here. You'll push it in until you feel the cylinder depress, and then turn the key to the left even more, and then you should be able, with a little wiggling, to get it to come right out. Sometimes it's a little bit harder than others. There you go. Pull that out. Then you can just twist this. Sometimes these cylinders are on here a little hard, so the easiest thing to do is take these little grooves, take a little flat blade screwdriver, and give it a little tap. See, to go counterclockwise. Once you unscrew this, get that ring out, and then you're able to pull the ignition out from the back. There you go. Just undo your connector, and it's out.